Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss, and welcome to episode 14 of Hot Products in a Hot Minute from Standard Electric. I have here today with me Romy Mayer from Telemecanique. He's here to tell us more about the XUN Photoelectric sensors from Telemecanique. So, Romy, why don't you give us the lowdown?
Thank you for the introduction, Joanne. Today I'm talking about our new general purpose family of photoelectric sensors. Specifically, today we will talk about the XUN like Nancy. One of the key factors of this new package style is that it affords you the mounting option of a 18 millimeter snout on it that can be mounted through the rails of a conveyor. It also has side mounting capabilities with the pre-drilled holes in the side of the housing, as well as an 18 millimeter pedestal mount. The key features of this product are anti-interference, so they can be mounted side by side next to each other without interfering with one or the other sensing. They also have a sensing range of up to 30 meters, which meets the industry max. With exceptional resistance to light interference, you'll find these sensors perfect for your tight sensing applications. They are also available with Ingress protection of IP65, 67, and 69K. So the key takeaways of this product are they reduce shock due to the robust housing of the product. They rapidly detect targets at a sensing rate of up to a half a millisecond. We have constant data acquisition through IO link on the photoelectric sensor, as well as we produce a through beam measuring system so as that you can use a visible LED with a reflector on the other side to quickly establish the link between through beam applications. If you need more information or would like to request a quote, please reach out to your local Standard Electric salesperson.
All right, Roby, thank you so much for telling us all about the XUN photoelectric sensor from Telemecanique. As he said, if you want a quote, contact your account manager. Please ring the bell, like, follow us, and subscribe. And we will see you next week for our next hot product in a hot minute. Thank you.